Hey everybody, Patty Ann here again today. Today I'm going to unbox a brand new to me mug press. This mug press is from Craft Express. It's the Elite Tumbler Heat Press, 2-in-1. So I'm really excited to show you everything I got with this. So let's look down at my table and I'll show you first of all the stuff I'm going to be sublimating on in the next couple of videos. Okay, as I said, this is an unboxing. It truly is. I just opened the box. I don't even know what I got in here. I got sent some samples to show y'all how well they work. So let's look and see what we have here. I don't really know. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look at that. This is really cool. And look, it's smoked like, it's like glass, like, oh, this, I love this. There's a hole in the top, and I think that there must be some straws in here somewhere for it, perhaps. I'll check that out in a minute. This is really cool, I love it. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna research how to do each one of these kind of things. Maybe this is exactly the same. Yep, that's another one of those. But I don't know if they're all the same. This feels a little different. Oh man, check this one out. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Very nice. I love the color. Hey, it kind of matches my shirt. Very nice. So that's 1, 2, 3. I guess, what do you think? So I guess this is another tealy colored one. Kind of reminds me of the beach, the color. Oh yeah, another one of these beauties. My gosh, is that pretty or what? Look at the color. Just love it. This is real. I've never seen anything like this yet. Maybe you guys have, but I've not seen anything like this for either doing the heat transfer vinyl, or I'm assuming maybe sublimation as well. I'm gonna have to read the directions. Love it, so much fun. Let's see, what else did we get? Okay, let's just see what this is. Oh, this is really cool. I've not seen this size before. Look. I love this. This is a handy size, especially for kids. And here is the straw that goes with. And I do believe these are all stainless steel. But I'm going to check on all of this. I'll take you over to the website where I got these. Craft Express. So this one's probably the same. Yep, that's another one. Very nice. Okay, this is a different size. I'm wondering what this is. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so much fun. Look, how cool is that? Oh my goodness, oh, and look, the little opening. And does this screw on or just, nope, it just sticks on like that perfectly. And I love it that it has a little handle. Wouldn't this be nice by the beach or by the pool? Have a little adult beverage in here, or kids could have something. However, this is glass, so probably be better for the adults perhaps instead of the little kids. But I love it. That would keep all the bugs out. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, so this one's probably the same. Yep, it is. I can tell by the top. Nice. And what else do we have here? So these are two different sizes, so I'll assume these two are the same and this is different. Oh, and here are the rest of the straws that we needed for those others. Let's see. Oh, okay. This one's nice. It's a little larger than the other one that I showed. Oh, and look. Oh, I love this. It's glass. This is really nice. I've never done any of these, so I'm really, really looking forward to doing this. This is going to be fun. Popping all the bubbles. Okay, and the last, I'm assuming this is the last one type. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a great big huge one, like the small one. Stainless steel, nice thick walled. I heard somewhere that you can keep ice in this for 24 hours and you'll still have some ice the next day. I'll give it a test and let you know. Whoops. And let's see. Lid fits nice and tight. And there's the straw for this one. All right, so that's what comes in this box of samples for me to try. And I'm gonna spend the next couple of days going ahead and doing some different sublimations. Remember, these are all from Craft Express. Let's check out their website. Okay, now I'm going to open up the Craft Express Elite Pro Max Tumbler Heat Press 2-in-1. So I have already slit this open, but I have yet to check out the inners inside. So let's see. All right, don't have any idea. 30-ounce tumbler mug wrap. And there's some screws and things on top of here and a little wrench that you might need to put it together. All right, now, let's see. I think I'm gonna have to turn this on its side to get it out. When I exchanged this one for this one that's in here with just these 8 little screws that easily come undone, check this out. If I had this one hooked on here, I want to show you, you can do easily 2 mugs at one time. How cool is that? And doing mugs in this is really, really fast. But hey, stay with me and I'm going to tell you all the pros and cons of the Craft Express Elite Tumbler 2-in-1. Come back, watch some more videos.